Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I've got something a little different for you. These are Portabella mushroom pizzas. One of the reasons I wanted to do this is because I know a lot of people like doing these keto diets or low carb diets, and I wanted to try to put something together to accommodate people that are into that. With my pizza making experience, I figured I wanted to give this one a try. So let's get started. So we're going to do a very easy but also very delicious pizza sauce. What I've got here is the tomato sauce. Going to add in some Italian seasoning. A little bit of parsley. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder. And a touch of olive oil. And you want to just get in there and mix it up. So here we have our portobello mushrooms. What we want to do is get the stem out, and we also want to scrape out these gills and pull them out of there. Now we have these on a baking sheet. Let's go ahead and start saucing them up. Next we got mozzarella cheese. We're going to go ahead and put that on there. Then we're going to go ahead and hit it with some parsley on top. It just gives it a really nice look, and of course always enhances a little bit of flavor. And what we're going to do, this is the first time, even though I've made plenty of pizzas, I've never done this particular recipe before. So I have the oven on 450 degrees, and we want to get this so that the cheese melts but doesn't burn. So I'm figuring probably about 7 or 8 minutes, and I'll let you know when this is done. And here you have it. Our portobello mushroom pizza is done. It actually ended up taking 12 minutes at 450 degrees, so a little bit longer than projected, but let's give it the taste test. Wow. So I have to say it's really good. When you combine the flavor of the portobello mushroom and the sauce and the cheese, it's very delicious. It's not as crispy as, let's say, your typical pizza in a pizza shop, but I'm telling you, I really think you're going to like this one. Give it a try. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.